A sports car should be captivating, with a design that feels as alluring as it does powerful. We made no compromises with GR Supra's design. Each and every aspect is defined by its contribution to overall driving performance. Its silhouette stirs all the right emotions, with generous curves and daring shapes that excite the senses. That it all comes together in a package that provides an optimum coefficient of drag and excellent downforce means that GR Supra is no mere sports car, it's a work of art. Show off from every angle. 19 inches. Forged aluminum wheels accentuate the stunning build of GR Supra, while giving it an even sportier look. In addition, these strong and lightweight wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires to help further optimize acceleration, cornering, and braking capabilities. Chiseled into GR Supra's rear, LED taillights are designed to clearly illuminate turn, tail, and stop functions. GR Supra's sculpted front end is punctuated by its signature headlights. Each housing features a 2-level, 6-lens LED light cluster for optimum brightness and clarity. On each headlight, LED daytime running lights also run across the bottom to make sure you can be seen. GR Supra's interior is the ideal blend of form, function, and beauty. Designed with the driver in mind, this cockpit features a number of inspired touches to help you get the most out of every drive. Deeply bolstered sport seats match up with console-mounted side knee padding to ensure you're comfortably in place, no matter the tightness of the turn. GR Supra seats are designed for maximum hold, offering deep power-adjustable side bolsters and high-grip material to help keep you upright when the roads get sideways. Available 14-way power adjustment helps you find the perfect driving position. Available leather trim and 3-stage heating features also ensure that these sport seats help keep you feeling comfortable and refreshed on any drive. An 8.8 inches. High-resolution display rests in GR Supra's gauge pod. A 3-dimensional tachometer sits prominently in the center, showing not only engine speed, but also current gear selection and suggested driving gear. It's flanked by displays that can be customized to show current speed, navigation, and other key driving info. Taking hold of your dreams starts here. GR Supra features a leather-wrapped, tilt/telescopic steering wheel for quick response and easy controllability. Steering column-mounted paddle shifters give you even more control over GR Supra's power. The Supra Command Dial gives you access to GR Supra's key multimedia features. Its available touch-sensitive surface lets you use your fingers to write in addresses for the navigation system and zoom in and out of the map. Selecting between functions is as simple as a twist and press of the dial. The dial is flanked by genuine carbon fiber accents to bring additional sports car cred to this intuitive piece of tech. Intensify the connection between you and your GR Supra. Available with a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission, IMT, that optimizes your revs as you shift, the 3.0L 6-cylinder engine puts 382 horsepower and 368 pound-ft of torque at your fingertips. Take the reins as you go through every corner while the G-forces make you feel like you're sinking into your seat. It's time to personalize the power delivered to the rear wheels and find the sweet spot where your revs match up to your heartbeat. The fire-breathing heart of GR Supra is its signature, turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. Producing 382 horsepower with an impressive 368 pound-ft of torque, this engine uses smart technologies like a twin-scroll turbocharger, variable valve timing, and an electric wastegate, giving you plenty of power and instant response. GR Supra features an electronically controlled rear differential for maximum stability and performance. Sensors detect wheel speed, engine RPM, your rate, brake pressure, throttle opening angle, and steering angle information and send this data to a main processor. In an instant, this processor can take this data and activate a multi-plate clutch, which can control the locking ratio between both wheels from 0 to 100%. For you, this means you can control your driving line with precision. GR Supra's available driver assist and safety and technology packages suites of active safety technologies bring added peace of mind to every drive. The blind spot monitor system is designed to help alert you to vehicles that may be hiding in your blind spot, letting you know when it's safe to change lanes. When you're slowly backing out of a driveway or parking spot, Rear Cross Traffic Alert provides audible and visual indicators to help warn you of approaching vehicles. And cruise control on manual transmission models helps keep your GR Supra going at your desired speed, while full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control on automatic transmission models helps with highway driving by keeping GR Supra at a preset distance from the vehicle ahead of it, automatically accelerating and braking as needed.